The EPA ratings on hybrid pickup window stickers and the fuel economy those trucks are actually delivering on real roads are two very different numbers. That gap is costing buyers more than they realize. If you're choosing your next hybrid truck based purely on what the sticker says, you could end up spending thousands more on fuel than you ever planned. Most people assume every hybrid pickup delivers real savings at the pump, but some of the most popular options on the market are barely outperforming their gas counterparts in actual driving, while others are quietly posting numbers that rival a hybrid sedan. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. The Toyota Tacoma iForce Max is a hybrid operating on a very different agenda than most buyers expect. Toyota engineered the system primarily around torque, traction, and trail performance, not fuel economy. The setup pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor, producing 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. In tight off-road situations, where throttle precision is everything, that instant electric response is going to give the Tacoma a meaningful edge over naturally aspirated rivals. Real-world fuel economy is landing between 21 and 24 miles per gallon combined, though results vary considerably. Heavier configurations like the TRD Pro or Trail Hunter running on aggressive all-terrain tires are going to pull numbers toward the lower end. Buyers expecting economy car savings are often surprised, not always pleasantly. What Toyota built here is a performance-oriented mid-sized truck with hybrid assistance, not a fuel-sipping commuter wearing a truck badge. Towing is reaching around 6,500 pounds in the best configurations, and payload is approaching 1,700 pounds depending on trim. Fox shocks, disconnecting sway bars, and crawl control are putting the Tacoma ahead of most mid-size rivals on rough terrain, and aftermarket support behind this truck remains the strongest in its class. The Tacoma's hybrid system was never built to chase MPG records, but the truck at number 4 is posting fuel economy figures that make even hybrid SUV owners stop and look twice. Number 4. Ford Maverick Hybrid. The Ford Maverick Hybrid rewrote expectations for what a compact pickup is supposed to be. Built on a car-based unibody platform, it drives more like a crossover than a traditional truck, and that is entirely by design. Most truck buyers underestimate how much fuel costs add up across a full year. Running a conventional full-size pickup 15,000 miles annually can cost well over $2,000 more in fuel compared to a smaller, more efficient vehicle, money gone before a single dollar goes toward upgrades or anything else. The Maverick Hybrid goes after that problem directly. Its 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder paired with an electric motor produces 191 horsepower. But the number that matters most is fuel economy. Real-world owners are consistently reporting 35 to 42 miles per gallon in mixed driving, with city figures frequently hitting the top of that range. The Maverick spends a significant portion of each urban commute running on electricity alone, and EPA estimates are hovering around 37 to 38 miles per gallon combined, figures many drivers are matching or beating without any special effort. All-wheel drive availability is carrying forward on the 2027 model. Payload sits around 1,500 pounds and towing reaches 4,000 pounds with the optional tow package. The FlexBed cargo system adds storage versatility that budget trucks rarely bother including, and for the buyer who needs a bed occasionally without turning their commute into a fuel budget problem, the math here is difficult to argue against. The Maverick leads the compact segment in efficiency, but if full-size towing muscle is still a requirement, the Tundra at number 3 is bringing torque numbers no compact pickup could ever match, and the real-world efficiency story there's more surprising than most people expect. Number 3. Toyota Tundra Hybrid. The Toyota Tundra iForce Max arrives at number 3 with some of the most impressive raw numbers in the half-ton segment. A twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 working alongside an electric motor generates 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. That figure exceeds most naturally aspirated V8 engines, and under load the Tundra feels exactly like it. Towing smoothness is one of the most immediately noticeable improvements over older Tundra generations, and the feel under heavy weight is genuinely different from what traditional full-size trucks have delivered. Real-world fuel economy lands around 19 to 22 miles per gallon combined, depending on configuration. That is a real improvement over older V8-powered full-size trucks, but Toyota never positioned the system as a fuel economy-first powertrain. The iForce Max is doing its most meaningful work under load, smoothing towing response, delivering instant torque, and reducing drivetrain stress. Add aggressive tires or consistent heavy towing, and the economy slides into the mid-teens quickly. Maximum towing reaches roughly 12,000 pounds in certain configurations, while payload ranges from 1,500 to 1,900 pounds. The multi-link rear suspension is one of the Tundra's most underrated strengths. Ride quality and highway stability are noticeably more refined than rivals still relying on traditional leaf springs, and that difference becomes obvious on longer drives. The Tundra's torque numbers are genuinely impressive, but the truck at number 2 is managing better real-world fuel economy while also towing more, and doing both simultaneously is harder than it sounds. Number 2. Ford F-150 Power Boost Hybrid. The F-150 Power Boost Hybrid was built around a specific premise. A full-size work truck should not have to sacrifice fuel economy to stay genuinely capable. Ford is delivering on that with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor integrated directly into the 10-speed automatic transmission. Combined output reaches 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, placing the Power Boost among the strongest powertrains in the entire half-ton class. Picture a contractor driving 25,000 miles a year, half-loaded, half-empty on the highway. Every extra mile per gallon across that annual mileage translates into hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars saved before a single repair bill enters the equation. That is the gap the Power Boost was designed to close. Real-world fuel economy is regularly landing between 22 and 26 miles per gallon combined, which is exceptional for a truck capable of serious work. Daily drivers frequently report around 25 miles per gallon in normal conditions. Heavy towing pulls numbers considerably lower, but the same penalty hits every gasoline-powered half-ton under a real load. The system delivers its biggest gains during unloaded driving and stop-and-go conditions, where regenerative braking is contributing meaningfully to efficiency in ways a conventional engine simply cannot. Towing reaches up to 12,700 pounds when properly configured, while payload runs between 1,300 and 1,700 pounds. The ProPower onboard generator system turns the truck into a mobile power source capable of running tools, appliances, and equipment at the same time, a feature that justifies itself quickly on a work site. Against the Tundra, the Power Boost consistently delivers better real-world efficiency and a higher towing ceiling. The Power Boost is one of the best conventional hybrid pickups available right now, but number 1 isn't a conventional hybrid at all, and once you understand how it works, miles per gallon almost becomes the wrong question to ask. Number 1. Ram Charger. The Ram Charger is not a hybrid in any conventional sense. Ram built a range-extended electric vehicle where dual electric motors drive the axles at all times, and a V6 gasoline engine exists exclusively to generate electricity. The wheels never connect mechanically to the combustion engine. In every driving situation, this truck is behaving like a full EV, with a generator running underneath to extend range far beyond what a battery alone could achieve. There is a specific moment every long-distance EV truck owner eventually faces, watching the battery percentage drop while still miles from the nearest charger, with a loaded trailer behind the hitch. For serious towing across open country, that is not a minor inconvenience. It is a trip stopper. The Ram Charger is being built specifically to eliminate that scenario. When the battery is charged, the truck operates as a pure electric vehicle. Instant torque, near silent cruising, zero fuel consumption. Once depleted, the V6 generator engages and sustains range, extending total claimed distance to approximately 600 to 700 miles depending on conditions. Fuel consumption during generator operation is expected to resemble a very efficient hybrid SUV under load, not a conventional engine running under full demand. Towing capability is being positioned to compete directly with the F-150 Power Boost and Tundra iForce Max in the half-ton class. Real-world efficiency data is still building as more units reach buyers, but the profile here is fundamentally different from every other truck on this list. The focus is less about optimizing miles per gallon in the traditional sense and more about eliminating fuel dependency across the vast majority of daily and long-distance driving. If the Ram Charger performs as designed, it stands as the most forward-looking approach to pickup fuel efficiency currently on the market. These 5 trucks are proving that real-world fuel efficiency in the pickup segment is no longer a single story. It's 5 different ones. The Tacoma uses hybrid power to sharpen off-road performance, not pad an MPG figure. The Maverick is quietly dismantling the idea that truck ownership has to come with a punishing fuel bill. The Tundra and Power Boost are closing a gap between full-size capability and genuine daily efficiency that once seemed impossible to bridge, with the Ford consistently pulling ahead where it matters most, and the Ram Charger is building toward a future where the traditional miles per gallon conversation almost stops making sense. The window sticker has never been a less reliable guide to what a hybrid pickup actually costs to run, and these 5 are the clearest proof of that. But many truck buyers are still not ready to embrace electrification and would rather choose something more conventional. Such trucks are coming too, starting from a completely redesigned 2027 Chevy Silverado, which you can check out in our next video. A new generation is on the way, and it's bringing completely new small block engines that are about to set new standards in V8 power and efficiency.